welcome back to the channel. It's your girl West Coast. Today I am back with a bomb ASF install. This hair right here is from Wiggins hair. I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed it, how to lay your baby hairs, how to pluck, all of that good stuff. You guys, I'm really excited about this install because it turned out so good. Another reason why I'm excited is because this hair is 30 inches of beautiful, wavy, just really bomb hair. I will leave the exact details to this unit in the description box below. It's so beautiful, and I just want to show you guys how I customize it to get it like this. So I don't know if I bleached the knots with you guys on here, but if not, check out this previous video of mine showing you guys how to do it and what I used. But today is just about plucking. Today is about installing, laying the baby hairs, and getting this hair to pop after, you know, maybe you just was being mad extra because it is 30 inches of bombness. This is a start to finish transformation, so I hope you guys enjoy. Wiggins hair information once again will be listed in the description box below. This is HD lace from them, so you are going to see how beautiful this hair freaking melts into my scalp or into my forehead, but it's so fire. So if you guys want to see this transformation, please continue to watch. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification. If you want to see this makeup look, it's very simple. It's like a really easy glam for summertime, night glam for summertime. Let me know if you guys want to see it. Springtime / summertime. Let me know if you guys want to see it because I feel like it's very subtle. I don't have any lashes on right now because I don't feel like it's really necessary because I'm about to go and crush this food real quick, but you get the gist. If you want to see it, thumbs up this video. Let me know in the comment section below. I love you guys, and let's jump into it. Alright y'all, so before I started my set it offs, I decided to grease my scalp. I gave myself a hot oil treatment, all that good stuff, just to keep my hair all moisturized because I don't have time for my scalp to be coughing on me because the season's changing, and sometimes your hair gets a little dry because of the season change. Before I started plucking, of course I had to bleach the knots, and I wanted to show you guys how I end up plucking the 5x5, but somehow I lost the footage, so I was forced to use this clip right here of me plucking at a frontal, and it's the same technique. Sometimes you see me section off a little bit of the front half and then I pluck behind that line, but lately I have been trying out this technique and I'm loving it because it doesn't allow me to commit to baby hairs if I don't want to, and I was really not trying to have baby hairs on this closure because it's a 5x5 you can literally work at it just like a frontal, but I feel like it was still a little necessary because it'd be having that little bump, and also it helps it look a little bit more realistic. Alright, so we're gonna spray this. When I wear closures, I feel the need to spray the whole entire closure, just not the front half. I don't know why. I just feel like it just adds that extra security probably. So let's pop it on. I also like to take the blow dryer if I don't take too long to pop it on cool and on warm back and forth, just to let the hairspray get a little tacky, and that just allows your wig to grip a little bit faster. By the way, this is a small cap size, and I'm so happy about it because I love me a snug fitting wig. I like to do the eyebrow test. I do this just to make sure my lace is where it's supposed to be at. I have been pulling at my lace to each side. I have seen a huge difference in the way my lace lays when I'm actually like pulling the lace flat, if that makes sense. And then what I also do is take the back of my comb. I press the lace into my scalp like this, or on my forehead like this, and then take cool and warm again. So because I have all that vitamin E and that grapeseed oil on this, I'm gonna actually take this off. And I'm just gonna use my comb just to run through the rest of the closure so I can make sure that it's secure, flat, all of that stuff. So I don't know if I want to give her a flip over moment, but I do know that the density is still full at the top. I didn't really go in and take all that density out in like the parting area, so I want to go ahead and do that with you guys so y'all can see how I do it. Really pretty soft hair, you guys. Like when I felt this, I was like, oh, we got a banger. If you can see like the inside of the wig, you can kind of see the waves, the deep wave, but I just combed out the top half because I just needed to do that when I had finished bleaching the knots. Now, because this is a lot of hair on this unit, I believe it's like a 250 density wig from them. I don't want to take too much out because it does look crazy if you do too much plucking, but just the density that I feel needs to be out, I'm going to take out. And to each his own, whatever you like to do, but I like to just part it a little bit and just see where the bulkiness is at, and I see it's like right here and right here, so we're just going to get that out the way. A little bit of water. You can dampen your hair, you do not have to drench it, I promise you, it's unnecessary. But you want to pull at your hair. You don't want to do it too close to the lace because you can poke a hole in it. So just pull at it and just start moving around pretty fast, because you don't want to stay in one spot too long, because that's how you get bald spots, or you just start taking too much hair out in one area, and you don't want that. And because this is a closure, you don't have to take too much time out to like take the density away. Like I said, just focus it on the areas where you find that it's giving you a little bit of bulk, and you don't want that. This is how people get really flat like updos when they do decide that they want to do an updo. Alright, so I feel like that's enough for me. It's usually where you want to do your part. That's kind of where you want to mainly focus at. And then if you just part it and it's not laying as flat as you want it to, because some people think it's the track or the wig being too big, but honestly it's just the density of your hair. Wiggins install. Let me know how you guys feel about it. Did I do my thing? 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 Now I gotta put this face on. I think we've been here long enough, so I'm just gonna quickly put a beat on. I'll come back to give you guys outfit, final goodbyes. Hopefully the hair is hopefully the hair is a bit more dry by the time I finish doing all of that. But Wiggins hair information will be linked in the description box below. I'll keep you guys updated as much as I can on this hair because, you know, this is my first time installing it. So I'll definitely give you guys the tea later on in the future because I know you guys are going to be asking me. But if I don't get back to you guys fast enough on here, you guys always have my Instagram. I will link it below, but it's at Westco, WSTCO. So definitely follow me on there if you want to keep up to date with this hair. But yeah, so let me do this beat and I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Alright ladies, this is literally just to close out this video. But this is the hair. Let me show you guys what it's working with. Right here. It's beautiful, it's dry. You guys can see it for your own two eyes. It looks so freaking good, guys. And I'm telling you, this stuff helped tame it, add the sheen that you need. This is the Fantasia Heat Protecting Straightening Spray, but I didn't straighten it, I just used it for a little bit of moisture. And then the leave-in product and everything else will be listed in the description box below. I love the hair, guys. I do have little flyaways, only because I've been in here dancing and doing the most, taking photos outside so y'all can see what it looks like. This is deep wave hair. I remember writing it down on a piece of paper. This is a closure wig though. This is not a 13x4, 13x6. I don't really go for closure wigs unless they are 5x5, 6x6 because you have so much more room to work with. So I'm working with the 5x5 deep wave 30-inch unit from Wiggins Hair. The exact details will be listed in the description box below. Make sure you check them out. Tell a friend and tell a friend that they have 30 inches of greatness on their site. You've seen that it was very, very, very minimum shedding in this. I was shocked. To be honest with you, I was looking around like they're not gonna believe me. Honestly, that's how much hair came out of the comb and on my fingers, so I was shook, okay? But if y'all could feel how soft this hair is touching my skin and how easy it is to detangle, how easy it is just to, you know, add a little bit of water, detangle it with a wide tooth comb, add your conditioner, add your serums, whatever you need to do to add that luster back into the hair, girl, you'll be like, oh, I just need that in my life. Definitely take advantage because y'all know the sales is going on, y'all know the deals are going on because it's summertime, but you can't beat this. Everything that you need to know will be linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for tuning in, checking me out, hanging out with me, all of that good stuff, you guys. Don't forget the thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification if you did enjoy this install. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.